Hey there, JD and FIA. I'm going to show you how to use the flat 7 and the 4 to kind of create a just a time filler. You know, if you're in a service or something. I'm in C right now. Real simple. I'll show it to you in several different keys. Alright, so basically what you're doing, you're just taking, we look at it in C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is our B, okay? Our flat 7 is B flat. All right, I just took the 7 and flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a major chord on the flat 7. All right, a whole step back from the root. So we're in C, a whole step back to B flat, flat 7. I'm going to play a major chord. All right, and I'm going to add the 9 there. So I have B flat and F. Right hand I'm playing B flat, C, D, and F. Just a regular B flat major chord. Alright, I'm just adding the C there. Alright, then we're going to take this flat 7 to a 4, and we'll do it in all of our keys anytime. So the 4 in the key of C is F. Alright, so it's going to, the flat 7 is going to go perfectly to the 4, the F. Alright, and so what I did to get there, I walked up to the 3rd of the chord. So A is my 3rd note in the F major chord. So I just walked up G, A flat to the A. Alright. And when I end it, I played a 4 chord, F major, add 9. Then went to the D, back to F. Something like that. Just whatever. All right, walk it up. C. So you're gonna go 1 of the scale that you're in. I'm in C. So 1, 2, 3. Go back to the D, the 2, and that's when you're gonna be on the 3 of your flat 7 chord. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. All right, it's gonna be the 3rd of B flat. That's when you hit the chord. All right. 3rd of F. Back to the 1. C with F in the right hand down to the C major chord. Go to another key. Let's go to A flat. Walk up 1, 2, 3. All right, flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. Flat 7. G flat. So that's our chord. All right, so walk up. B flat. The 4 in A flat is a D flat, so I'm going to walk up to the 3rd of the 4 chord. All right, and then goes back to 1. 4. All right. I'm playing the 4 chord, D flat major. I go down and hit the 2, and somehow get to the 1. So, however you want to do it. Let's go to G. All right, flat 7 is going to be F. All right, our 4 in G is a C major, so walk into the C, back to the 1. 1, just walking up 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, no matter what key I'm in. So D, E, G, A, D, E, G, A, G, coming off the F. All right, let's go to B flat. A flat major, flat 7. 4 is E flat. So E flat. Chord to 1. All right. Sorry about that. G flat, where I started. E major to B. All right, hope they help you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.